Um, Today we're going to cook. We're going to cook chicken foot, chicken foot and white rice. So here are the chicken foot. We're going to clean them up. We're going to cut off the toes. We're going to use a knife. Here they are now. Just clean them up and thing. So now we'll put it in. So put on a pot with some water and put it in the pot and let it cook until it's tender. Alright. Yeah. So the chicken foot is already cooked. Already soft. Well, yeah, soft and yeah, very soft. So now we're going to add salt. We're going to add some mixed seasoning, all-purpose garlic powder, cayenne pepper, paprika. Now we're also going to add um, black eyed peas. Yeah. So here. Now we're going to let this stay and simmer. Yeah. When it go down to a small amount, then you can add some more seasoning. Yeah. Also.
So right now, this are the steamed rice. Yeah, this are the rice, you know what I mean? Nice and chili.
Peeps, this is the finished product. Chicken foot and white rice and black eye beans. Nice and delicious. Yeah man. Nice fluffy rice. Chicken foot. Yeah, so this is it. Fix it up back. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah man, so thanks for watching. Just subscribe to my channel, like and share the videos please, and thanks, so I can continue and get bigger and better with this. Yeah.